Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with two titans of the cleaning universe, the eufy X8 Pro and the roborock Qrevo S. Buckle up, because this is going to be a dust-busting showdown. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The eufy X8 Pro comes in at a wallet-friendly $649. On the other hand, the roborock Qrevo S is a bit more bougie at $799. So if you want to save some cash for, a Netflix subscription or your avocado toast addiction, eufy might have the edge here. Next up, let's talk about suction power. The eufy X8 Pro boasts a powerful 2 × 4,000 pascals twin turbine suction. That's like having 2 mini tornadoes in your living room. Meanwhile, the roborock Qrevo S flexes with a whopping 7,000 pascals suction. It's like a black hole for dirt. So if you want your floors cleaner than a germaphobe's kitchen, roborock might just suck in a good way. Reviewers love the eufy's strong suction, but are absolutely impressed by the roborock's unbeatable power. Hair everywhere. If you've got pets or you shed like a Sasquatch, you'll appreciate this one. Eufy comes with a pro detangle comb that automatically removes hair from its roller brush. It's like having a tiny hairdresser living in your vacuum. Roborock, on the other hand, has a multi-directional floating brush that minimizes hair tangling. So it's a toss-up between a hairdresser and a floating brush? Your call! Reviewers find both systems effective, but eufy's detangling comb gets special mentions for its efficiency. Now, let's talk about how long you can ignore these little guys. Eufy offers 45 days of hands-free cleaning with its 2.5L dustbin. That's like setting it and forgetting it for a month and a half. Roborock ups the ante with a 5L water tank and self-emptying capability that lasts up to 7 weeks. So basically, you can ignore it longer than most of your text messages. Reviewers appreciate the extended hands-free periods of both models, with roborock's longer duration being a clear winner. When it comes to navigation, both vacuums are like little robotic cartographers. Eufy uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps of your home, avoiding obstacles like a pro. Roborock, however, takes it up a notch with PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. It's like having a mini Google Maps inside your vacuum. Plus, roborock supports up to 4 levels of map saving, so it's perfect for those living in a mansion or a multi-level IKEA showroom. Reviewers praise both for their navigation, but roborock's advanced features and multi-level support stand out. And now, for all you mopping enthusiasts out there. Yes, I know you're out there. Let's talk about mopping. Eufy focuses more on being a vacuum warrior, while roborock brings the mop game strong with its dynamic dual spinning mops and auto mop lifting. It even has 30 adjustable water flow levels. So if you're into customizing your mop settings like a DJ at a rave, roborock is your jam. Reviewers love roborock's mopping capabilities, noting its superior performance and customization options. Overall, both the eufy X8 Pro and the roborock Qrevo S receive high praise from users. Eufy is noted for its strong suction and efficient hair removal, while roborock impresses with its unbeatable suction power, advanced navigation, and superior mopping capabilities. Some users have noted connectivity issues with the roborock app, but its cleaning performance remains top-notch. So there you have it, folks. Eufy X8 Pro versus roborock Qrevo S. Both are fantastic in their own right, but which one will you invite to your home cleaning party? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.